There are many weather warnings in force. Rain hitting cold air turns to snow. There's worries that communities could be completely cut off with disruption for travel. I'll have all the weather details later this morning.
Looking at me looking so gorgeous in leather this morning. We like that a lot. Everybody has just been so nice, and everybody... I like to pretend I'm asked God for the weather, because it's always a talking point.
Good morning. The weather at the moment is so divided. So basically, I want to show you what's happening and why. Let's talk about rain and snow in the forecast. So we saw Louisa this morning with her umbrella, Nithya with the snow starting to fall, and there's a big boundary where we have rain or snow. So I'll show you. Cold air moved in overnight. So for northern areas, it is sub-zero, but mild air is pushing up from the south, bringing with it rain. And where the rain is hitting the cold air, that is when it starts to fall as snow. So here's our weather warnings in force, and there's a lot of them. Southern areas have warnings for rain for today. Then we move a little further north, so northern areas of Wales and North Midlands, northern England. Here's where we have our warning for snow, 2 to 5 centimetres. So yes, snow and ice are hazard pretty much from the Midlands northwards, but south of there it is cloud and rain, and that rain is set to be heavy. So this is the very latest satellite, and it picks out this band of precipitation. And I say precipitation because not all of this is rain, and the majority is rain, but the leading edge is falling as snow, and that will continue. Good morning to you. A battleground is set across the country at the moment, a band of rain bumping into cold air, and it is turning to snow. Nithya this morning is in Buxton. Good morning to you. So a very divided outlook across the country today. We have a band of rain moving into cold air. So a battleground is set. Cold air sitting across the north, mild air in the south, and as the rain hits it, it then turns to snow. So multi-weather warnings in force for heavy rain through southern England, snow and ice for North Wales, the Midlands and northern England, snow later today across Scotland, but more focused in those detailed... Well, if you were to draw the weather today, you'd have a little bit of everything in the palette. We have rain warnings, snow warnings, ice warnings, more focused on the amber areas where we're set to see the highest totals. And this is happening because a band of rain is moving into cold air and steadily turning to snowfall. So this is the detail at 8 o'clock this morning. Mild, 11 degrees in the south with heavy rain, a heavy rain warning. Heavy snow in the north will make roads impassable, the risk of disruption to power lines, but in the south it is heavy rain that's likely to cause disruption. Good morning to you. Very complicated setup with the weather today, so let me take you through the detail. A band of rain is moving in, hitting cold air, turning to snow. So warnings in the south for heavy rain today. It's further north we have the warnings for snow and ice for Wales, Scotland, northern England, and then also for Northern Ireland and North Wales. It's the amber areas we're set to see the highest amount of snowfall, up to 25 centimetres. So let me take you through the detail as we head through the morning. Rain, like I said, has been hitting this cold air, turning to snow. At 8 o'clock, this is the detail. It is cloudy, it is wet, the rain is heavy through southern areas of England. Then it bumps into the cold air, North Wales, the northern England, so Pennines, Peak District, into Cumbria and Northern Ireland, snow falling now. North of here, it is cold, frosty, icy and sunny, and that whole band of rain and snow moving north.